Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for a link to my Amazon store where I've compiled some of the very best items available, including some of my own personal recommendations. Thanks! What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. At least I think that's going to be the case. I do not know who sent this. I mean, you guys are looking at the thumbnail, so I obviously took a picture of it. We're all going to find out together. If you guys are a part of my Patreon, thank you so much for continuing to support me during this time. I've got a lot of stuff that people have generously sent for reviews so that I can continually bring you guys content. It will be expensive to ship back out. And so to my patrons, thank you very much for continuing to support me. It just absolutely means the world to me. You can check out the link to my Patreon down in the description, as well as the link to the Amazon store that I always reference, where you can pick up knives like the Spyderco PM2 and a whole bunch of other stuff. Okay, we have, what is this? This is a t-shirt that says Dolphin Isle Marina and RV Park. Okay, that's awesome. There we go, I got a t-shirt. There are two Benchmades in here, which tells me that these are likely from somebody who, yeah, this is somebody who stepped up and sent me something from my list. And then let's take a look. Oh, we do have a letter in here. Some more packing materials. I always appreciate that. That's very helpful. And we've got a couple of stickers here. There we go. And then let's take a look here at the letter so that we know where this came from. All right, Metal Complex. Here is the mini grip we talked about the other day. I included my full-size custom grip for you to check out as well. I've been trying to decide if I want the Ritter Hogue and the Super Freak. I don't want the Super Freak, but I think the Ritter Hogue is too close to my custom grip. Maybe you can weigh in and let me know what you think. I will, absolutely. As a guy who doesn't have a knife store within 100 miles of me, it's hard to find good knives without holding them first. Thank you again. Jack and Cindy, thank you so much. It says, P.S. I threw in a sticker from the RV park my wife and I run in California. If anyone from the knife community finds their way to Mendocino County, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, they can check out our website, www.dolphinisle.com, if they need an RV park or marina. Hey, well, no problem. I'll let you know right there, guys. This is absolutely what you're looking for, so you can check that out. Anyways, thank you so much. Let's go ahead and get in here. Oh, did you include... That was so nice of you. You included the return label. You didn't have to do that. That's really, really nice. Thank you so much. Let's check out... So, this is going to make you guys laugh, because I'm sure you guys are like, what, the Griptilian? Like, you've reviewed, like, the Griptilian multiple times. I've never actually reviewed a mini Griptilian on this channel. 800 and whatever, how many uploads? Not a single mini Griptilian on this channel. So let's get it out. I've handled it before, but I saw this opportunity. Somebody showed me their knives. Oh, perfect. Yeah. It's the small 20 CV upgraded version. And yeah, I wanted to give my thoughts. You know, I've handled this a million times because we have a Benchmade dealer in town, and I've come very close to purchasing it for myself. There were always little things that held me back, but the truth is I really like this knife for a lot of different reasons. So I want to express those feelings on camera, absolutely. And this is a custom mini grip, and I feel like you showed me this, but I can't. Oh, nice. You have the. Is this from the custom shop, or did you order your own? These look like custom shop Griptilian scales. So this is an S30V with custom shop Griptilian scales. I'm assuming. Considering we have the same hardware. Really, really cool. But yeah, it'll absolutely serve as a great comparison, considering, I mean, this is why I say the Benchmade Griptilian, or in this case, the Ritter Hogue. Perhaps this Griptilian is the best example of why I always say they are basically the same model. There are a couple of differences here, and it'll give me an opportunity to do a direct comparison between these two knives. As well as a direct comparison between, you know, the large Griptilian and the small Griptilian. So thank you so much. I really, really appreciate that. Guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. I'm going to go ahead and turn this up a little bit so you guys can see those. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this middle complex logo right here and subscribe, and make sure your notifications are set to all, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.